Uh, Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
All of you can able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And today, you want to implement four variable function. They given the respective min term 1, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, using 8 by 1. Okay, single 8 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. They given one question. In the question, what happened? The function is four variable function, and then the respective the min terms they are given. So what is the hidden meaning is the respective output value equal to one, and then you want to implement that functionality using single 8 by 1 multiplexer. If you consider, okay, the four variable function means how many number of input combinations are available? 16 input combinations are available. But in the question, what they said is you want to implement that functionality using 8 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, what is the meaning is it associated with the 8 input, it associated with the 8 input and single output. Okay, how do you do that? So in order to implement that, what you are going to do, first you should write the truth table for four variable function. Okay, what is the truth table? Okay, 0, 0, 0. So what are the variables are there? A, B, C, D, and then finally it's going to produce as the output. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is a 1, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now as of now, what I did is I write the four variable functionality in the truth table format. Okay, and then you look at the question. What happened? So what are the min terms are there? They are given 1, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So what is the hidden meaning is? So these are the position. The output value equal to 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, these are the position. The output value equal to 1. So 1. So 0 here 1. And then 3 equal to 1 and 4 equal to 1. What about 11? 11 equal to 1, 12 equal to 1, and 13 equal to 1, and 14 equal to 1, and 15 equal to 1. The rest of the places, the output value equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So in the question, what they given is you want to implement that 16 variable functionality using 8 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. So here only eight input we can able to provide only 8 input alone, 8 input line alone. Okay, how do you do that? So for that, what we are going to do, I'm going to perform grouping. Okay, so how I'm going to grouping in the sense, I'm going to form a group. What is the size of group in the sense? 2. Okay, this is a one group, this is another group, this is a third, this is a fourth, and this is a 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, so I'm going to form a grouping. What is the size of the grouping in the sense? 2. Okay, so why I'm going to do that in the sense, I had 16 input, but my multiplexer accept only 8 input line alone. So because of that, what happened, I'm going to perform grouping. Okay, because of that, what happened, I'm going to perform grouping. Okay, here four variables are available, A, B, C, D. Among four variable, some of the variable is acting as a control line and some of the variable is acting as a data line. So normally how they are going to select the control line in the sense, they select from MSB to LSB. Okay. So for example, why I am taking as a three variable as a control line in the sense you want to implement that functionality using 8 by 1 multiplexer. So how you can represent it in 8 2 by 3. So what is the meaning is the 3 bit is acting as a control line. Okay. So here what I'm going to do, first 3 bits I'm taking as a control line. The last bit I am acting as a data line. Okay. This is a control line. The last bit is acting as a data line. Okay. Let's see. So, okay. So I'm going to draw the multiplexer. Okay. The size of it going to take input as a 8 and it going to produce output as a one line as a output. Okay. A, B, C. Then D is acting as a data line. This is the input for multiplexer. Okay. Sir, now what I'm going to do, now what you are going to do, D is a compare with the functionality. For here, the D value is a 0, 1 and functional value also 0, 1. So here, instead of 0, 1, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write as a D. So what is the meaning is D, that first group functionality is similar to D. Okay, and then you go for second group. What is the functionality of second group? Again, the function output you compare with the D. It is a similar to D. Instead of 0, 1, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it as a D. Similarly for third one, here what happened? The D value is a 0, 1, output value is 1, 0. It's a complement of D value. Okay. So similarly for next group. So both of the output are 0. That's why I'm going to return as a 0. Okay, here both of the outputs are 0. I'm going to simply write it as a 0. The next, the functionality is similar to D. So now instead of writing 0, 1, I'm going to write it as D. What about next group? The both output are equal to 1. So this is 1. Similarly, this last group also what happened? The output equal to 1. The both output are equal to 1. So I'm going to simply write it as 1. Okay. So now what happens? And the 16 output is reduced to 8. Sorry, 16 input combination is reduced to 8 input combination. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is acting as a data line. D, D, D bar. Okay, D bar 0, 0, D, and then 1. Last one is a 1. Okay. Okay, this is a way what happened. We want to implement that functionality. Okay, it is okay for you. Hello. Similarly for next one.
Yes, sir.
So next what happened? They given okay, two variable function as an input a b, and then they given the respective minterm. You want to implement that functionality using 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, this is a two variable function. Two variable function in the sense four input combinations are available. But you want to implement that functionality using single 2 by 1 multiplexer. If you consider a 2 by 1 multiplexer, it take only two input line, 2 bit is acting as an input line. Okay, how do you do that? So first you should write the truth table for two variable functionality. So A, B, C, and then function. So what are the input combination? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1. Okay. Suppose the control line input is 0, and then in the question itself they given, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So one position output equal to 1 and two position output equal to 1. The rest of the places, the output value equal to 0. Okay, how do you implement that? This is a 4 variable function, 4 into 1. Okay, how do you write that? 2 power 2 into 1. So what is the hidden meaning is 2 bits is acting as a control line. 2 bits is acting as a control line. So 2 bits is acting as a control line. Okay. Okay, how do you draw the multiplexer? Here, 2 bits acting as a control line. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. This is for 4 variable. But in the question, what they asked, you want to implement that functionality using 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. How can write the 2 by 1 2 power 1 into 2? Sorry, 2 power 1 into 1. So what is the meaning is one line is acting as a one bit is acting as a control line. Okay. So what do you okay? One bit is acting as a control line. So now what you are going to do? You have the two variable a b. So among the two variable, one of the variable is acting as a control line. Okay. Already I said. How do you select the control line? You select from MSB to LSB. Am I correct? Here a recurred variable is a single. So a is acting as a control line. So A is acting as a control line and B is acting as a data line. B is acting as a data line. Okay. So how do you implement that? So how do you implement that? Okay. So this is a multiplexer. This is a multiplexer, 2 by 1 multiplexer. So 2 by 1 multiplexer. Here A is acting as a control line. Okay. And then B is acting as a data line. So what is the meaning is 2 bit, it's an input for that multiplexer. Yes, same procedure we are going to apply. So what you are going to do, the B is comparing with the output functionality. Okay, if you look at what happened, okay, now what I'm going to do, the output value is I'm going to comparing with the B. So it's similar to B output. Am I correct? Here 0, here also 0, here 1, here also 1. So instead of 0, 1, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it as a B. So what about next case? What about next case? Here 0 is their output equal to 1. Here 1 is their output equal to 0. It is nothing but complement of B. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it as like that. So both of the B is acting as a data line. Okay. And then A is acting as a control line. Let I'm going to check that. Okay. Example. Your input is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. This is a, this is a B. Okay, what happened? A is acting as a control line. Here the input equal to 0. Okay, then B value equal to 0. Okay, what it going to does? It going to select B. Okay, so this is that is output. So it is okay for you? Hello? It, it is okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next, so we are going to implement the basic gates using multiplexer. So first I'm going to take OR gate. That OR gate, OR gate functionality I'm going to implement using multiplexer. So what is the functionality of OR gate? If the both input are equal to, what is OR gate? If any one of the input value equal to 1, the output value equal to 1. Okay. If any one of the input value equal to 1, okay, means the output value equal to 1. Okay. The target functionality, what I'm going to do, I'm going to implement using 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. Okay. The target functionality, what I'm going to do, I'm going to implement 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. So, in the question itself, we can easily understand 2 by 1 in the sense it take 2 bit as a input, and then it's going to produce output as a 1 bit as a output. Okay. And then how we are going to represent it at a 2 by 1 multiplexer? 2 power 1 into 1, that is nothing but 1. 1 bit is acting as a control line. 1 bit is acting as a control line. Okay. So here two variables are available, A, B. Okay. So which one is acting as a control line? Okay, A is acting as a control line. Already I said that you select the control line from MSB to LSB. So A is acting as a control line. The remaining B variable is acting as a data line. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? Okay, the output is mapped with the B. So both the, for example, the output equal to 0, B value is also 0. Now the output equal to 1, and then B value also 1. So instead of 0 1, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it as a B. What about next case? So both the output value equal to 1. So simply I'm going to write it as a 1. So B 1. Okay, A is acting as a controller. Okay. Do you have any queries? Hello. Do you have any queries?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Next, similarly for rest of the gates. Next, I am taking for NAND gate. What is the functionality of sorry, NOT gate? What is the functionality of NOT gate? A. Okay, only one bit is input for NOT gate. 0 in the sense what is the output? 1. 1 in the sense what is the output? 0. Okay, how do you implement that? Okay, using 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, here only two. Okay, how do you implement that? Okay, here only one single variable is there. So single variable in the sense two input combinations are available. Okay, 0 or 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Sorry. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, how do you do that in the sense? Here only one variable is there. So for example, this is a 2 power 1 into 1. Okay, so one bit is acting as a control line. One bit is acting as control line. One bit is acting as a control line. Okay, so A is acting as a control line. Now the F is acting as a data line. Okay, so 1 0. Okay, it produces output as a F. Okay, listen. So why I'm going to write it is F in the sense, for example, you had the two input. So finally, it's going to produce an output, only one output. How it going to select in the sense, it's going to select any one of the input, okay, mapped with the output. That's why I'm going to write it as a F. Okay, for example, I'm taking as an input. For example, my control line is A equal to 0. So in this case, is what happened? A equal to 0. A equal to 0 in the sense what happened? It's going to select 1. So 1 is acting as an output. So 1 is acting as an output. Suppose my control line is 1. 1 in the sense what it going to does? It going to select the second input. This is output. Okay. So next for I hope that all of you understood that. That's why I forward to next one. Next I am taking for AND gate. So what is the truth table for AND gate? So A, B, F. Okay. If both the inputs are 1, then only what happened? The output equal to 1. The rest of the cases what happened? The output value equal to 0. So 0, this is a 1. Okay, I am correct. Okay. We want to implement that functionality using 2 by 1 multiplexer. How do you do that? Okay, here, okay, how do you do that? Okay. Um, okay, here what happens, sir? 2 by 1. How we are going to represent it 2 by 1? 2 power 1 into 1. Here, one bit is acting as a control line. So one bit is acting as a control line. How do you select a control line? Here, two variables are there. How do you select the control line? From MSB to LSB. So A is acting as a control line. Okay. So now what you're going to do? The remaining variable is acting as a data line. The remaining variable is acting as a data line. So B is acting as a data line. Okay. So okay, how do you map that? Okay. So now what are you going to do? Output mapped with the B. Okay. So now you map what happens, sir? Here both output equal to 0, 0. Again, the output is mapped with the B. What happened? Both of them similar. So now what I'm going to do? I'm going to write it as a B. So 0 B. And then it's going to produce a output as a F. Okay, it's okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will try it out for another thing that is called as a NAND gate. Okay, and then you are going to tell the answer. Okay, what is the truth table for NAND gate? It is just opposite to AND gate. It's just opposite to AND gate. Okay, NAND gate. Okay, what is the truth table of NAND gate? So A, B, F, 0, 0. Okay, the both inputs are 1. What happens? The output value equal to 0. Okay, this is the truth table of this is a truth table of NAND gate. Okay, you want to implement that functionality using 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, one of the variable is acting as a control line. The remaining variable is acting as a data line. B is acting as a data line. Okay, how do you do that? The function value is mapped with the B. So what happens, sir? Here the both of the output equal to 1. So this is indicate that 1. What about next case? Output equal to 1 0, whereas B value is 0 1. So what happens, sir? If B value equal to 0 in the sense output equal to 1. Suppose B value equal to 1 in the sense output value equal to 0. This is nothing but B complement. So 1 B complement. Okay, and similarly for NOR gate. Okay, what is the truth table of NOR gate? So A B A F 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 1. What happens, sir? So 1. Okay, this is a truth table of NOR gate. Okay, how do you implement that? So I want to implement that functionality using 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, same story. So one of the variable is acting as a control line. So A is acting as a control line. A is acting as a control line, and then B is acting as a data line. Okay, so now output is mapped with the B. So what happens, sir? The output equal to 1 when B value equal to 0. Suppose output equal to 0 in the sense when in the sense B value equal to 1. This is nothing but B complement. What about next case? The both output equal to 0. B bar 0. This is output. Okay, do you have any queries? Do you have any queries?
No, sir.
Okay, you will try it out for exclusive OR and exclusive NOR and exclusive OR gate. Okay, this is for homework for you. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to implement the full adder using. Uh, I'm going to implement the full adder using 2 by 1 multiplexer. So I'm going to implement the full adder using 8 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. So what is this truth table for? What is the truth table for full adder? So in the full adder, what happened? It's going to produce two output. One is called as a sum, another one is called as a carry. Full adder, what happened? Okay. So it is a three variable function. Full adder is a three variable function. So 8 input combinations are available. Okay. 8 input combinations are available. And then it's going to produce output as a two variable. One is called as a sum, another one is called as a carry. 1 0 and 1 0 and then 0 1 and then 1 0 0 1 and then 0 1 and then 1 1. Okay, so what I have been represented in the table, that can be represented as a sum of minterm. So whenever the sum value equal to 1 in the sense, the input combination 1 2 4 and 7, these are the places output value equal to 1. Similarly for carry, so 3 5 6 7. Okay, so they will ask you, you want to implement full adder, you want to implement the full adder using 8 by 1 multiplexer. So what is the meaning is, it take it input as a 8 bit, and then 3 bits acting as a control line, and then 3 bit is acting as a control bit. Okay, So in order to implement that functionality, we needed two 8 by 1 multiplexer. Sir, why I needed two 8 by 1 multiplexer in the sense one for sum, another for carry. Okay, so one for sum, another for carry. Okay, how do you implement that? First, I am taking one 8 by 1 multiplexer. So, okay, this is for sum. So, what are the places output value equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay, whenever the 1 and 2 and then 4 and then 7. Okay, so these are the okay, these are the places the output value equal to high and the rest of the places output value equal to 0. Okay, so and then next this is way I'm going to implement the sum, and we needed one more full adder 8 by 1, sorry, one more multiplexer. So make use of that, I will implement carry functionality 5, 6, 7. Okay, what are the places the output value equal to 1, 3, and then 5, and then 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Okay, these are the places the output equal to 1. The rest of the places what happened? The output value equal to 0. Okay, okay. So, okay. So already is it how you're going to represent the 8? The 8 can be represented as a 2 power 3. So what do you understand from this in the sense 3 bits acting as an input line? Sorry, control line. So, okay, already three variables are there, A, B, C. So, A, B, C, the three variable is acting as a, and then three variable is acting as a control line. Okay. So, here what happen, it's going to generate the sum. Here what happen, it's going to generate the carry. It's okay for you? Hello? It's okay for you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Some cases what they given as of now what happened, we are implemented 8 by 1 functionality using 4 by 1 multiplexer or 4 by 1 functionality using single 2 by 1 multiplexer. Some cases what they given is like that they will given. For example, uh, you want to implement 4 by 1 multiplexer. You want to implement the 4 by 1 multiplexer using uh, using okay, large size of large size of large size of 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, okay, what is the meaning is, for example, so what is the meaning of 4 by 1 multiplexer? It's going to take 4 bit as a input. Okay, and then it's going to produce output as a 1 bit. Okay, same functionality I'm going to implement using n number of 2 by 1 multiplexer. N number of 2 by 1 multiplexer. If we take one 2 by 1 multiplexer, what happens, sir? So it's going to take 2 bit as a input. But my question is, you want to take input as a 4 bit. So how many number of 2 by 1 multiplexer are required? So we needed one more 2 by 1 multiplexer. Then only what happened? It's going to take input as a 4 bit. Okay, such a way that they will ask you. So for that you want to write the diagram. Okay, so how do you draw the diagram? Okay, so okay, how do you draw the diagram? For example, this is a you want to implement that functionality. Okay, it's going to take input as a 4 bit and then it's going to produce the output as single bit. But you want to implement that functionality using n number of 2 by 1 multiplexer. N number of 2 by 1 multiplexer. Each 2 by 1 multiplexer is going to take input as 2 bits. So for that I'm going to take two 2 by 1 multiplexer, I2 and then I3. Then each multiplexer what happen, it's going to produce output as a 1 bit. Here two 2 by 1 multiplexers are there. So in order to generate single output, again what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more 2 by 1 multiplexer. So finally, it's going to produce output as a F. So total number of uh, total number of 2 by 1 multiplexer required is 3. Okay. Okay, it's okay for you. So previously, what we have did is we are implemented. So for suppose we are they given a 8 by 1 multiplexer, you want to implement that functionality using single 4 by 1 multiplexer or 2 by 1 multiplexer, whatever it may be. That cases what happened, we are performing grouping. Here what they given, the question is given in the sense, you want to implement 4 by 1 4 by 1 multiplexer functionality using n number of 2 by 1 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, so such a way that we are going to implement that. Okay, so we will try it out one more problem, you will get some clear idea. Okay, so, next I'm going to take it for I'm going to take it for uh, so 8 by 1 multiplexer, you want to implement 8 by 1 multiplexer using n number of 2 by 1 multiplexer. N number of 2 by 1 multiplexer. How do you implement that? So what is the functionality of 8 by 1 multiplexer? It's going to take 8 input line, 8 input line, and then it's going to produce output as a single bit, single line as a output, single line as a output. So if I'm taking one 2 by 1 multiplexer, how many number of input it going to take? Only 2 input. Suppose I needed 4 input. How many number of 2 by 1 multiplexer are required? 4 2 by 1 multiplexer are required. Okay, 4 2 by 1 multiplexer are required. Total input is 8. Okay, how do you implement that? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, each one is take it 2 bit as input. 3, 4, 6, and then I7. Okay, this is a 2 by 1, this is a 2 by 1, and then is a 2 by 1, and then 2 by 1. And then each one, what happen, it's going to produce output. So totally 4 outputs are there. Okay, my objective is I want to generate only single output alone. So for that, what happen, here I'm going to connect one 2 by 1 multiplexer. Here I'm going to connect so one more 2 by 1 multiplexer, and then each one is it going to produce as output. Here two output is there, but I needed only single output. Because of that, I'm going to add one more 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. 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 Do you have any queries? Hello. Do you have any queries? Hello. Say yes or no.
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to take that means. Okay. If you had any queries to be stay on online, otherwise you can wind up the session. Sure.